When you first log into Darwin Cloud, you'll see the dashboard that shows the items your staff needs to work on. Scroll down on the left-hand submenu and click on Analytics. Darwin Analytics opens first on the main dashboard. And the first graph you'll see is AGCI compared to last year, and then company dollar compared to last year. Scrolling down, you'll see volume compared to last year, and agent size compared to last year. When Darwin Cloud first opens, the date range selected is this year, but you can choose the previous year to compare the previous year to the year before. Or you can also choose to look at the last 12 months, and that'll compare the prior 12 months to the 12 months that preceded that. As with all prior versions of Darwin Analytics, you can expand them to full size using the arrow buttons in the top right, or you can change the look of the graph by choosing a different graph type for the data. If you want to export the raw data that is behind the graph, you can click the Export option and export the data behind the graph in any format that you want. The selector to jump between dashboards is in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and these other dashboards, as you may remember, have much more granular date selectors. You can still filter these dashboards by office, or you can look at all of your offices. You can filter them by company or look at all of your companies. You can also filter the data by agent. You can use the search button to help find exactly the agent that you're looking for, and then all of the graphs will reflect only the production of that agent selected. The closing dashboard shows you a running balance for the date range selected, as well as the balance for 1 year prior to the date range selected. If you scroll down the closing dashboard, you'll see the closing totals represented month by month in the next graph and in a table with the actual values beneath that. As with the prior versions of Darwin Analytics, you can select or deselect data points that you want to see graphed on the dashboards, and with each change you make, the graph automatically adjusts to show you the numbers for the data points you're most interested in investigating. Use the recruiting dashboard to see the number of active agents compared to the number of productive agents, as well as the number of active agents compared to productive agents over time for this year and last. On the performance dashboard, you can see your PPP numbers compared to median on all the key metrics and compared to the prior period. Then you can see the PPP numbers by office, and then further down the dashboard, you can see the PPP numbers by team.